Hello friends, welcome to C# Intermediate to Advanced tutorial. Now you are watching final part of the C# publishing subseries. So publishing is in the build part or build admins part. One click install is what the client will do. Alright, now we will proceed and we will quickly review the previous 3 videos. First we learned about the basics. Then we created the greet.sample and we published that. Then we also saw how client will install that greet.sample from same network location. Then we saw how the build owner published the update on the common location. Then how client gets the notification. So imagine when there are multiple clients, all the clients will get notification and they all get updated. But however, since the previous one was the minor update, we gave the option for the end user so that they can skip the update and stick with the old version, or if required, they can pick the new update. Now let's deal with the publishing the update silent and forcible mode. In the previous video we saw how user got notification once there is a version change. Whenever they start their exe, the exe will go and check the network system. So the network computer, each time it will go and check whether there is a version change or not. If there is a version change, it will intimate the user about the version change. They can either take the update or they can skip it. So we provided that option. User had a choice of pick the update or skip it. Let's say we have a major update. It can be a security risk or some useful update that we want client should have, or we don't want to provide the option to skip that specific update. So this demands means the option like security risk and other important stuff or important update that demands pushing the update forcibly. That means we don't want to provide any option to the user because it may corrupt their data or something wrong with the existing exe on the client boxes, security risk or some vulnerability. So there are many reasons for pushing the update silent and forcible. Here user do not have the choice of skipping the update. That means when they start the exe will check for the update, and from this update itself it knows that it should not provide any notification to the user, so it automatically updates their version in the client box. If there are 500 clients, all 500 clients will get this specific version because of a security risk. The technique here goes with minimum version requirement. That means the publisher will choose the minimum version and they can push that version silently to all the client box. So here what we will do, we will create a new version 2.1.0. Previously we used 1.3, right? Now we will go with 2.1.0 and we will push that update to the client boxes. Alright, now it's demo time. We will go ahead and make this change. So here, just for a demo purpose, what we are going to do, in the greet me, we are just going to append Mr. here. It's not a security update or major update. We are just appending something here just to make sure things are working fine. and in the, or we can do a background change also here, just to know the version is updated. So here I'm choosing gray, I'll choose black, and for color I'll choose light green as the for color. That's all. Now we'll go to Solution Explorer, Properties. In the assembly, we will change assembly version as 2.1. So major version I am changing. Okay, then going to Publishing Wizard. There also in the options. Okay, that's not required. Version will be here. 2.1.0.0. Save. Then in the update, so here we will have it as a 0. In the updates, I am choosing specify minimum required version for this application. And if you see, by default, it took our current version 2.1.0.0. So this is the way we push the update to the client, and they will not have a chance of skipping the update this time. We will save it. Then we'll go for rebuild solution. All right, now we will publish it. This time, if you see, the user is choosing greet.exe, and application will get automatically pushed to the client box. This time, if you see, they doesn't have a chance to skip this update, and the version is automatically updated. And once again, we made a mistake of keeping the old version in the title, but it's a simple change. We have to go to the text property and make it as 2.1. Anyhow, you can see the other changes that is taking place here. Abdul Rahman, and I'm clicking greet me. Here you can see the Mr. also coming to the message box. So this time you saw how the version is pushed to the end user, and they don't have the chance to skip the update. So usually for a critical update, and when there are major bug fixes, the publisher will choose this option. Sometimes when there are version update that had a lot of major application behavioral changes, the time the user will get the notification. Why? Because some user may not want the new features. But here, if you see, the update is like a critical patch update or important update that user should not skip such kind of update. All right, now we'll close this, and we will do the cleanup. We'll go to add or remove program. We'll choose greet. Click on this greet and then click uninstall. For a crash verification, I'm just typing once again greet it doesn't come here. So that means here also we will check once again greet. I typed a greet and nothing comes. That's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.